true moment of what a morning regulation looked like for me. Here I was just coming back from cycling early in the morning, and so this is raw, this is real, and this is what being a somatic practitioner looks like in the day to day. So I start by swaying side to side while rolling my wrist, bringing sensations in these areas of my body again, as it was really cold this morning. And that feels really good to feel the blood flowing again. But it's also really good to do that early in the morning when you're just waking up. And here I'm doing as well heel drops, coming up into my toes and then dropping the heels to the floor. I'm also bringing shoulder rolls here. And then I decided that actually I should be focusing on one area at a time instead of wanting to go faster and doing everything at once. So I focused first on the heels drop and seeing how it feels in the rest of my body. And after a few of those, I start focusing on my shoulder blades by doing some rolling with my arms. So going backward and then forward and focusing on how it feels in my back and my shoulders. Then clasping the hands together and arching the back and bringing the ends forward and rolling the back. So it's kind of like a standing cat-cow. We are arching the back and then rolling on an exhale. Inhale, lift up and back, and come forward. Exhale. And here, stepping the feet further away and just like moving the arms around and letting the arms really like kind of free flow here. If they're landing on the back and the hips, that's good as well. We are focusing here on kind of like moving the spine, a gentle twist. Then coming to a stretch of the side, so I like to bring one leg forward and then bring the arm up to stretch the side of the body. And then grasping one hand and stretching higher. Then any extra movements that you need with your arms, any rolling of the shoulders, the wrists. Then let's go with the body tapping. So making a fist with your hand and starting with the arm. Then going on to the other arm. The chest, coming down to the belly, the lower back, going down the back of the legs. Tap anywhere where it feels good. You can stay longer anywhere where it feels good. Like I like to stay a bit more behind the knees. Then coming around the feet and up the inside of the legs. Then tapping on the hips. And if you start yawning here, it's a really good sign that your nervous system is regulating. Then bringing the arms up and moving the energy back down first. Playing with the arms a little bit here. moving the energy up from the hips all the way to the crown of the head 3 times. Then doing an energy lock, so middle finger in the navel and the other one in between the eyes. And inhale and exhale slowly. See how you feel. Do you feel more grounded? Finishing with orienting, so slowly looking around the room you are in. And that was a quick morning regulation practice. Hope you enjoyed.